We'll guide you through how to fix Bluetooth keeps randomly disconnecting in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying as you're just trying to go and use perhaps your headphones or another device and it keeps on disconnecting. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try, make sure it's full guide, and now let's go and get right into this. So to get started, come to the bottom and you want to go and press the Windows Start button. Go up and find the option for settings. If you can't see it, you can always go and search for them and come into it. Come into Bluetooth and devices to the left. Now you want to go and find the device. I can see at the top here. If you can't, you want to press view more devices. What you want to do is press the three dots in the top right and press remove device and go and remove it. And then what you want to try doing is reconnecting it. So what you can then do is go and press add device and you can select Bluetooth. Make sure you then put the device into pairing mode. Then what you can try to do is reconnecting. I found sometimes doing this will go and then fix the problem where they keep on disconnecting. Hopefully it does. If you find that it doesn't, what you want to do is you want to go and press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in services like so. This will go and open up. In here, you want to go down and find the option for Bluetooth. This is in alphabetical order, so you shouldn't need to go and scroll down, find Bluetooth support service and double click on it. What you can try doing here is pressing stop, wait for this to go and stop, and then you want to try restarting it again. This will just go and refresh things, press OK, and now go and see when you go and connect again. Hopefully now it will stay connected. If you still find that it won't, what you want to do is you want to press search at the bottom and go and type in device manager and click on it. Then in here, you want to go and find Bluetooth, press the arrow to the left to expand it. In here, you want to go and find your Bluetooth adapter and maybe call something different to mine. You want to go and right click on it and try disabling it. Just confirm yes. It'll take a few seconds when it refreshes and then you can try right clicking it again and enabling it again. Often doing this will just go and restart things and once again refresh things. Now you can go and see if when you connect, hopefully it will now stay connected. The next thing we can try doing is we need to go and change a setting. So what you want to do is go and find it again in Bluetooth, select it and right click on it and go down the list and press properties. You see some different options here, but you need to come to the top and you want to go to the far right and find power management. You want to unselect, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Otherwise your computer may be turning it off and therefore stopping the connection and causing the disconnection. So therefore it's worth doing this. After you've unselected it, press OK. Go and see if that solves the problem. If you still find that it doesn't, you want to come back here. And now what you're going to do is go and right click on it. What you want to do is press uninstall device. Now you're going to get a pop-up about uninstall this device. In some cases, depending upon your adapter, you may get an option to go and uninstall the driver here. What you want to do is make sure you tick that and then go and press uninstall. So then go and uninstall the adapter and the driver. So go and press uninstall and it may take a minute or two, but just be patient. What it can do is when it completes is you'll notice that Bluetooth is removed from this list. And you want to then go down to the bottom of your computer when it's finished and you'll press the Windows Start button. You'll press the power button and you'll restart it just to go and refresh things. And with the restart process, it will then go and install the adapter and the required driver again. So you can go and wait for that to go and complete. It shouldn't go and take too long. When you go and restart the computer, then come back on and you can go and return to your settings. And then what you can do is you may need to go and connect it again. And then hopefully now it will go and stop disconnecting and the problem's solved. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again soon.